Hey friends, welcome to sunny Colorado. In fact, it's so sunny that I need to put on a pair of sunglasses. These are a great pair of glasses that we got from KALIYADI. Now, right now they're having a really cool sale where you can get 2 frames for the price of 1. So we'll put some links in the description box below. It's actually a smoking good deal. And I really like the way these glasses look. This is that rimless version. Ray-Ban kind of made them popular, but these, again, in a budget form, are really close to what I would say the high designer version looks like. But here's really cool about the deal that KALIYADI has going on right now. This isn't the only pair I got. We also have this full rim version of the same glasses. You can see they're in matte black. Again, they have a little bit more coverage on my face. They look really good. Now, are these glasses gonna be the most high quality thing you'll buy? Probably not, but as a budget sunglass, something that you need to have handy around the house, in the car, something that you can wear on a daily basis and not worry really about getting major scratches or destroying them. These are probably gonna be the glasses that you're looking for. Again, we'll put links in the description box below where you can check them out. Stay tuned, friends. We've got a bunch more of these little product review videos to make your life just a little bit easier. We'll see you again on the next one.